Okay, this isn't actually my property. It's about 20 feet from my property line, but, this culvert empties out onto conservation land, and look, they left plastic wrap on it. It's polluting all of this land with plastic chemicals and microplastics and shit right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and rip that shit the fuck off and, mail it to the town. Along with some pieces of broken culvert from that one they still haven't replaced after months of me mailing pieces of it back to them. This is just a wonderful set of people to deal with here. Second culvert I've come across on this trail, black plastic wrap still attached. These people are so fucking stupid, I can't believe it. They won't even remove the plastic wrap before they put it in here. I just don't have words. So this culvert empties out onto my land eventually. This culvert empties into a brook here, which leads right onto my land. And look, they didn't remove the plastic for time number 3 here. So all this plastic is going to end up in my watershed. And the town just leaves it like this. And this is beyond infuriating. It really is. This will be the 3rd time I'm removing plastic from a culvert in the last 5 minutes. So, having fun out here.